You've been lied to, and it's costing you real money. Every year, drivers in the US spend over $150 million on fuel injector cleaners, most of which do absolutely nothing. In fact, some can actually make your engine run worse, damage sensitive components, or void your warranty. Today, I'm going to expose 10 fuel injector cleaners you should never touch. And then, I'll show you 5 that actually work, backed by long-time mechanics, manufacturer data, and real-world results. Stay tuned, because number 3 on the bad list is the one most auto parts stores push hardest. And number 1 on the good list is so effective, it's used by professional fleets to keep high-mileage engines running like new. 1. The bargain bin, off-brand additives. Those $3 to $5 bottles you find in the clearance section at gas stations and discount stores. They often contain little more than mineral spirits or kerosene. Not only are they ineffective at cleaning modern high-pressure injectors, but some lack detergents entirely, meaning they do nothing but lighten your wallet. Veteran mechanics take. If the label doesn't list a PEA content, polyethyramine, you're wasting your time. PEA is the proven chemical that dissolves stubborn carbon deposits, and the cheap bottles rarely have it. 2. Products with excessive alcohol content. Some fuel injector cleaners use high alcohol concentrations as a cleaning agent. While small amounts can help disperse water and fuel, too much can dry out rubber seals and O-rings in the fuel system. Over time, this can lead to hard starts, fuel leaks, and even injector failure. The worst part? These products are often marketed as fuel dryer or winter protection formulas. Pro tip, stick to cleaners with balanced formulations specifically rated safe for all fuel system components. 3. One-size-fits-all, engine restorers. These products claim to clean injectors, restore compression, fix oil consumption, and make your engine purr like new, all in one bottle. The reality, they're a jack of all trades and master of none. The detergent levels are usually too low to clean injectors effectively, and some even include thickening agents that can foul spark plugs. Industry insight. Leading automakers like Toyota and GM specify PEA-based cleaners for injectors, not multi-purpose miracle fluids. 4. Overly harsh solvent-based cleaners. In older carbureted engines, harsh solvents could clean varnish effectively, but in modern direct injection systems, they can strip protective coatings from injectors, damage plastic components, and cause premature wear. A GM service bulletin even warns against certain solvent-heavy cleaners, advising dealers to use only manufacturer-approved products. If a cleaner has a strong paint thinner smell, that's a red flag. 5. Pour it in every fill-up products. Some companies recommend adding their cleaner every time you fill the tank. While that sounds proactive, most of these formulas are extremely diluted to make them safe for constant use, which means you're paying for little more than colored fuel. Real injector cleaning requires the right dose of active detergents, used periodically, not constantly. Think of it like dental cleaning. You don't need a professional cleaning every day, just regular maintenance. 6. Old stock additives. Fuel additives have a shelf life, especially those with alcohol or light petroleum distillates. Bottles sitting in a warehouse for years can lose potency, and if the seal isn't perfect, they can even absorb moisture. Some bargain bulk purchases online are actually expired products. So while the bottle says high-performance cleaner, the chemistry inside is dead. Mechanics rule: always check manufacturing dates if available, or buy from high-turnover retailers. 7. Products that ignore GDI carbon buildup. Gasoline direct injection, GDI, engines have a unique problem. Fuel doesn't wash over the intake valves, so carbon buildup happens there too, not just on injectors. Many older injector cleaners don't address this, and therefore have no impact on GDI valve deposits. If your car is a newer GDI model, you need a formula proven for both injectors and intake valves, or a separate intake cleaning service. 8. Octane Booster Plus Cleaner. Combos. Some injector cleaners are marketed as a 2-in-1 octane booster and cleaner. Here's the problem. Octane boosters often contain MMT or similar metallic additives, which can leave deposits on spark plugs and oxygen sensors. The result? You may gain 0 fuel efficiency improvements, foul your plugs, and trigger a check engine light, all for a product that doesn't clean injectors as effectively as a dedicated formula. Expert tip: if you need more Octane, get it from the pump. Keep cleaning products separate from Octane additives for best results. 9. Products without EPA registration. In the US, fuel additives aren't heavily regulated, but reputable manufacturers still register their products with the EPA to ensure compliance with basic standards. If a bottle has no EPA registration number, it's a sign the maker isn't serious about testing or quality control. Many of these unregistered products come from overseas with no proof of effectiveness or safety. 10. Fuel system flush. Kits, meant for shop use only. Some injector cleaner kits sold online are actually designed for professional shop equipment, not for pouring into a gas tank. Used incorrectly, they can cause misfires, injector clogging, or fuel pump damage. These often require disconnecting the fuel line and running the cleaner directly, something that should only be done with the right equipment and knowledge. 5 fuel injector cleaners that actually work. Now for the good news. Here are 5 products that mechanics, fleet managers, and even manufacturers recommend because they consistently deliver results. 1. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. This is one of the few widely available cleaners with a high PEA content, the active ingredient proven to dissolve stubborn carbon deposits on injectors and valves. It's so effective that BMW, GM, and Toyota have all recommended it in technical bulletins. Use it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles for preventative maintenance or before an oil change if your fuel economy drops. 2. Gumote Regain High Mileage Fuel System Cleaner. Specifically formulated for older engines, Regain contains both PEA and conditioners to keep seals from drying out. Independent lab tests show it removes up to 96% of intake valve deposits after a single treatment. For vehicles over 75,000 miles, this can restore noticeable smoothness to idle and acceleration. 3. Royal Purple Max Clean. Royal Purple's formula not only cleans injectors, but also reduces emissions and stabilizes fuel. In fleet testing, vehicles saw up to a 3.2% increase in fuel economy after one treatment. It's safe for both gasoline direct injection and port injection engines, making it a great choice for mixed-use garages. A favorite in professional shops, BG44K has an extremely high PEA concentration and is often used in dealership injector cleaning services. It's more expensive than over-the-counter options, but one can treats up to 20 gallons and can remove heavy deposits in just a single tank. For stubborn injector issues, this is the nuclear option many techs trust. 5. Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Injector Cleaner. While Lucas uses less PEA than some competitors, it's great as a preventive additive, especially for older engines. It not only cleans lightly but also lubricates the upper cylinder area, reducing wear in high-mileage vehicles. Many long-haul truckers run it regularly to extend injector life. Closing and call to action. Here's the bottom line. If your injector cleaner doesn't contain proven active ingredients like PEA, isn't backed by real-world results, or comes from a brand with no track record, you're gambling with your engine and your money. The right product, used at the right interval, can restore lost MPG, improve throttle response, and prevent costly injector replacements. The wrong product? At best, it does nothing. At worst, it shortens your engine's life. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of the bad ones on this list? And have you had real success with any of the good ones? Drop your experience in the comments because your feedback could save another driver hundreds of dollars and a whole lot of frustration.